Electricity bill expenses getting out of hand? If you receive your electric bill from AEP Ohio, there is a very simple way to lower the amount you are paying to keep the lights on. There are two major ways to reduce your electricity bill in Ohio. 1. You can be more energy efficient so that you consume less electricity. 2. You can pay a lower rate for the electricity you consume. In this quick video, we are going to focus on number 2 and make it so that you are paying less for electricity. This is not complicated and will take you less than 5 minutes. 5 minutes of your time for significantly reduced electric bills for the next year. Not a bad trade-off. As an energy choice state, Ohio residents have the option to shop for lower electric rates. Many Ohioans don't even realize this. The great thing about shopping for lower electric rates in Ohio is that nothing changes except the price you pay. Your utility company, AEP Ohio, continues to send you your monthly electric bill, and the quality of the power remains the same. You simply pay less for electricity if you can find a lower rate than the AEP Ohio standard service offered default price. That is where electricrate.com comes in. With our in-depth energy rate comparison search engine, you can shop and compare rates in your area against each other and against the AEP Ohio default rate to make sure that you will save money. Finding savings is simple. First, go to electricrate.com. Then enter in your zip code. You will now have access to the best rates in your area. Choose the rate plan that you like the most. Besides the rate of electricity, look for the term of the contract, or how long the rate will be fixed, and whether or not the plan has any renewal energy associated with it, if that is important to you. Next, fill out your information. The only piece of information that you will not know off the top of your head will be your AEP Ohio Service Delivery Identifier. This is a 17-digit number found on your electric bill that is different than your account number. The Service Delivery Identifier can be found on their electric bill at the top of the Current AEP Ohio Charges section on page 3. Once you fill out the enrollment form and agree to the terms and conditions, simply click Submit and you are done. You will receive an email notification from electricrate.com informing you that the enrollment was successful. Your rate will be switched at your next available meter read date, so expect to see at least one more electric bill with your old rate. But after that, you will start seeing a lower rate on your bill, and more importantly, you will start seeing a lower AEP Ohio electric bill month after month. Don't worry about your rate plan contract expiring. We will inform you a month before your contract expires and give you the lowest rate options from all of the suppliers at that point in time. This way, you will always be on a low fixed electric rate and not find yourself on a volatile variable rate that can spike in any given month. Start shopping now and get a lower AEP Ohio electric bill. electricrate.com. Let's lower that electric bill.